Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT works or why it's revolutionizing conversations with AI? In this video, we'll break down the magic behind ChatGPT, from how it understands and generates text to the incredible ways it can be used in daily life, whether for writing, coding, or brainstorming ideas. Let's dive in and explore what makes ChatGPT one of the most exciting AI tools today. Welcome back to our AI series. We've covered machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and computer vision. Today, we focus on ChatGPT, a well-known AI tool. In this video we will explore ChatGPT, its real-world applications, limitations, and the technology behind it, including transformers and large language models. GPT stands for generative, pre-trained, and transformer. Generative means it can create human-like text. Pre-trained indicates it has been trained on vast data. Transformer refers to the neural network used to process text. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses natural language processing to understand, generate, and respond to human text conversations. ChatGPT learns from diverse text sources like books, articles, websites, and conversations. It masters grammar, context, and knowledge but doesn't think like humans. Instead, it generates responses based on learned patterns. ChatGPT uses a transformer model to process text sequentially and contextually. Unlike traditional AI, it understands word relationships. The advanced GPT-4 version produces coherent, context-aware, and human-like responses. ChatGPT is trained on large datasets and processes text using a transformer model. It undergoes fine-tuning with reinforcement learning from human feedback, where human testers provide feedback to enhance accuracy, safety, and ethical responses. ChatGPT can answer questions, write content, code, translate languages, tutor students, and automate tasks. It provides detailed answers, assists with writing, helps with coding, generates engaging content, translates languages, provides explanations, drafts documents, and simulates conversations. ChatGPT is trained on historical data and does not access the live internet. For example, it cannot provide real-time sports scores or stock market updates. ChatGPT has several limitations, including the generation of incorrect information, inherent AI biases, lack of true understanding, and data privacy concerns. Some organizations restrict its use due to security risks. The future of ChatGPT includes multimodal AI capabilities, improved personalization, better AI assistance, and enhanced ethics and bias reduction. These advancements will make AI chatbots more advanced and safer. In summary, we covered what ChatGPT is, its workings, and the transformer model. We discussed real-world applications, limitations like bias and privacy, and future developments for AI chatbots. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's giving you a good overview of ChatGPT and some of its capabilities. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.